كده مش حد هيدخل. انا عايزه اعمل لك حاجه سخنه.
Yes.
So you can hear me well and see the screen.
Yes.
Okay, so this week we learned about chapter 9 lesson 2, as I said. In chapter 9 lesson 1 you guys learned about the water cycle again, and if you remember what a water cycle is, it was the continuous movement of water from the earth up to the sky and then back again. And do you remember what happens during the water cycle?
Yes. First, the sun evaporates the water.
Yes, the heat of the sun evaporates the water and turn it from liquid into gas, or what we call water vapor.
Yes.
Okay, yes, and this
And
process is called evaporation. Well done. And then what happens?
then condensation.
Yes, condensation. As the water vapor moves up to the sky, as we said, it cools down and it turns back into liquid. They are so small, they are water droplets that you cannot even see with your own eyes. So they start to gather together to form a big cloud, and that's what we call condensation, as you said. Okay?
Yes, and then it starts to precipitate.
Yes, well done. And then it starts to rain or precipitate because the cloud is filled with enough water vapor now. It's so heavy, it's done with it. So, yeah, let's now do some rain. So, what comes down from the cloud is called precipitation, but it doesn't always have to be rain. It can be different types. So, we have types of precipitation. That's what you're learning about in this lesson, lesson 2. We have rain, sleet, snow, and hail. Okay, all of
Yes.
those types are water.
Okay.
You still water. Okay, rain, sleet, hail, snow are all water, but they are different in the shape. Okay, rain is
Okay.
the only liquid precipitation. It's the only liquid
Precipitation.
precipitation. Sleet, snow, and hail are all solids. Okay, as you can you see how hail looks like?
Okay.
It's
Yes.
like big or chunks of ice looking like rocks. Okay, so what happens?
Yeah.
Precipitation happens when clouds start hitting each other, or we can say air masses. They start hitting each other. And once they do that, it's time for them to rain. Okay? So here we
Okay.
have, for example, a warm air mass and a cold air mass. So those are two large bodies of air moving. Okay? One body of air is
Okay.
warm, the other one is cold. You will learn more about fronts in grade 6. But just here we're taking a quick notes about it. So when these two different air bodies hit each other, they start forming a bad weather, making a bad weather. Okay, rainy and stuff like that. Okay. So here there is a question. Can you read it for me, please?
The type of precipitation that falls from the clouds to the surface
Yes. Of the earth.
of the earth depends on one main thing.
What do you think? So what kind of precipitation is it going to be? I mean, will it be rain? Will
Rain.
it be snow? Will it be hail? What is the main reason it's going to be rain or hail or whatever? Like why it should be rain or it should be hail or it should be sleet? What can change them?
Because it should water plants.
Okay, we're not talking
Watering
about
plants.
why is it important for it to, why rain is important. I'm saying, why should it be rain or snow or sleet? What determines that? I mean, here in Egypt it rains. Some days it can rain some snow. Why? Because there's different in what? What do you think?
Because it's
Yes.
weather?
You're close. Well done, but you're so close. It's the temperature. How hot or cold is it? So it's if it's very cold, for example, it's freezing down here on the earth. When the rain falls down, it's gonna freeze, forming snow or sleet. Okay? So do you understand now? So all the precipitation that's falling from the sky should be liquid, like rain in here. Okay? But they change into sleet, snow, or hail up to the temperature itself. If it's freezing, rain will freeze. If it's not, it will just fall as rain. Okay? So since it's not so freezing
Okay.
in Egypt, we mostly have rain. But in some freezing days, actually starts raining some snow, right? Right? Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay. So it's the temperature as we said. And what do you mean by temperature again? It's how cold or hot it's outside. Okay.
Okay.
So in here, for example, we have rain. How is rain made? When the cloud itself is warm and the surface is warm, I mean, it's all warm thing. It's nice. So it will be liquid because it's not freezing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the type of precipitation will be, huh? Rain
Will
because it's still
be
warm.
rain.
Yes, or liquid
Okay.
precipitation. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But what if we have freezing cloud and also freezing Earth's surface?
Then it will rain snow.
Yes, it will be snow down there. Okay, so can you see that? Can you see the difference in here?
Yeah.
So in the first one, it was warm
Yes.
cloud, warm surface, everything is fine. It's gonna rain only. But when the cloud itself is freezing and we have freezing Earth's surface, that means everything is freezing now. So it should be, huh? Rain turning into snow.
Should be. Yeah.
Yes. But how is sleet forms? I mean, you know that snow has its this shape we call snowflake?
Yeah.
Yes, but sleet does not have this shape. It's a little bit different. And sleet happens when we have a warm cloud, but the Earth's surface is freezing. So, literally, it will be rain falling down from this warm cloud, but as the rain falls down into this freezing cold surface, it will turn into sleet. It will solidify.
No. Sleep.
Can you see this? So, first, it's a liquid rain, a normal rain, because it's a warm cloud. Okay? But as this rain
Okay.
falls into this freezing cloud surface, can you see how it froze? It just became
Yeah.
sleet. Yes. So this is the difference between sleet and snow. Do you know the difference now?
Okay. Yes.
Difference is even not even in the shape, not only in the shape, but also in the cloud itself. For snow, it must be a freezing cloud and a freezing climate or weather. But in sleet, it should be a warm cloud that produces normal rain, normal liquid rain, and this normal liquid rain will actually freeze because of the surface. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay, I'm not asking you to know all the differences. I just want you to know that there are types of precipitation and they look different. Okay, this is sleet also. Can you see? So it just looks like liquid water that froze into its shape. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yes, let me zoom in the picture. Can you see this? So sharp ends. So this was supposed to
Yeah.
be just a normal rain falling down, but it's so freezing down there. So yeah, let's make a slate. Now the hail. Do you know what hail is?
Hail. Hail
Yes,
is freezing freezing snow
but big
or
chunks of snow.
ice.
Let me show
Big
you a
chunk.
picture of it. How big is it? I'm sharing my screen now. Can you see my screen?
Okay.
Yeah, but can you see how big it can be?
No. Okay.
Can you
Yeah.
see this one?
Yes.
It's so big. So big. It looks like rocks. It's so dangerous too. It can break cars, windows. It's so dangerous to have it. Look to this woman. She
Okay.
just she's just bleeding from her head. Can you see that?
I can see the blue.
Yeah, all the blood.
I can see only the hail.
Okay, maybe it's not moving well. Can't you see the other picture of a woman being hit with it?
Yeah.
Did you see the picture or you cannot see it yet?
Let's see.
Let me put the picture for you here. So she was unfortunate to be in the streets while there was hail down there. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Hamza, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
I'm just not feeling you are so excited.
I'm just a little bit worried.
Okay, I hope you are. Okay, so hail can be dangerous, as you said. Can you see how big it is? So big.
Yeah.
So how is hail formed? So we have freezing cloud in here. So big wind coming down, huge wind, keeps pushing, the wind keeps pushing the ice or the hail back into the cloud. So as it goes back into the cloud, it starts freezing again and freezing again and going back again, growing and growing and growing until it forms big chunks of hail. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, so again, we have a huge wind coming from downwards, keeps pushing the hail up into the freezing cloud. So they start to refreeze and make, bigger layers. So they start to grow and grow and grow until they become these big chunks of hail that you just saw. Okay,
Okay.
can you see how dangerous they are? They can break cars,
Yeah.
windows. Yeah, and of course, this woman has been injured, unfortunately. Can you imagine how big or the largest recorded hail would look like?
No. Yes.
Can you see maybe it's a size of what? And a size of what?
Uh, a ball,
Okay, you're actually
like almost a
close.
soccer ball.
Yeah, you're almost close. So here's the woman. She's holding an egg. Can you see? And this is a big
Yeah.
chunk of hail. Can you see how big is it?
Yes.
Yes. Imagine this falling from the sky over someone's head. It will be so catastrophic, right?
Yes.
Yes. So this is what a part of what we learned in this week, and then they also learned about the uh, severe weather. Do you know what we mean by severe weather?
Severe weather. Yeah, like bad weather,
Yes, bad weather. Well done. Just
like
let me open it
storms.
for you. Yes, like storms, tornadoes, and hurricanes, and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just let me get it for you now. Again, yeah, Hamza, you will learn more about these severe weather, okay, in grade 7. You'll have more information about it. But all you learn about
Okay.
this year is that severe weather, severe storms are dangerous weather conditions. Okay, they should maybe they will injure people, harm people, and properties too. I mean, cars and houses and stuff like that. Okay,
Okay.
you're learning about two examples of these severe storms: tornado and hurricane. Can you know the difference?
Tornado is spinning wind, but hurricanes is water, like high waves of water flooding every place.
Well done. Yes. So tornado is a fast spinning wind that forms over the land, while hurricanes are fast spinning wind too, but they form over the water surface and they move water with them. Okay. So again, weather
Okay.
hazards are the same as severe weather. It's like closer to the meaning. It means that conditions or a weather that will harm people or cause danger to them. And then we have here how hurricanes are formed. So can you see this? A big cloud with a thunderstorm in it moving over a surface
Yeah.
of the water. And then the changes in the temperature in here will cause the wind to move really fast. Okay. And in this shape, like moving in a swirling motion. Okay. And then this huge storm will become bigger and bigger, and now it moves near the beach. Okay, you will see now how to move. Can you see? Now it's moving with the
Yes.
water. It's moving with the water, and you can see here the eye of the hurricane, because hurricanes are really specialized with this. They have something called the eye in the middle. You can see it from the space, and now they are moving toward the land or the beach, carrying water with them. And see what will happen with with water. Water will actually flood over the beach, covering all these places.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, we're sinking them. Can you see how dangerous is the hurricanes? How dangerous are the hurricanes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
What do you think is more dangerous, hurricanes or tornadoes?
Um, I think hurricane.
Okay, people think that too. A lot of people think that. But tornadoes are actually more dangerous because hurricanes can be predicted. Like
Because
people
it's
can know.
bizarre.
Okay, let me just tell you why. Okay.
Okay.
So hurricanes can be predicted. I mean, all the scientists can predict if there is going to be a hurricane or not because it starts over the water first. But tornadoes start directly over the land, so it's unpredictable. Okay, so even when they start warning people about a tornado, that means the tornado is already there. It's on the earth. It's happening right now.
Okay.
Yeah, so that makes tornadoes are so dangerous and they are so fast wind too. Okay, so
Yes.
these
I saw
are
once a video of a tornado,
mm-hmm.
like breaking homes
Yes,
and
breaking
cars
down
and stuff,
homes.
and
Yes,
even
exactly.
planes.
I will upload some videos of how tornadoes are so dangerous and some footage of people being injured and stuff like that. I will upload it on the SMS for you guys to see. Okay, so you can see it maybe by tonight.
Okay.
Do you have any questions till now?
In the video, no, in video, there were three tornadoes. Then they were combined and they made one big tornado.
The what?
In the video, the tornado, there were three tornadoes. So then they combined and they made a large tornado.
You mean two tornadoes combined and they made a larger one?
Yeah, when they move, they like hit each other. So when they hit each other, they are
They
stuck.
become
So
one.
then they make a, yes,
Yeah, that's so
a very
dangerous
big
too.
one.
Yeah, that's so dangerous too.
Yeah.
Okay, can you see the tornado here?
Yes.
Okay, so as I said, yeah, Hamza, you just learning about these two severe storms, tornado, which is a fast spinning spiral wind. Okay, and it happens
Okay.
during thunderstorms. So if there is a thunderstorm,
Okay.
it's highly to be happening. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, hurricanes are large. Tropical winds too, so they're still winds, but they form over land or water.
When, tornadoes?
Yeah, no, hurricanes.
Tornadoes
They
are
form,
over land. Hurricanes are over water.
yes, over water. Well done. And that's the big difference between them. Okay. So, do you think that they
Okay.
should warn people before hurricanes or tornadoes?
Yes.
Yes, they should. So, if there is a tornado happening right now, because as I said, tornadoes are unpredictable, they cannot predict them. So, they start warning people so people can go and hide under the basement, under the ground so they can be saved. Do not hide in your home because, I mean, tornado can actually tear your home apart. So, it's very important for people to hide
Yes.
under the ground, okay, in basements. Okay. Okay, Hamza?
Okay.
Okay. So are you ready for some questions?
Sure.
Are you sure? Okay. We'll have them just as quick as possible because we're supposed to end the meeting now. What kind of precipitation is formed when water falls from the clouds and lands on the ground as liquid water?
Snow, rain, I mean.
Rain, because he said liquid water. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Number 2. Large ice chunks that fall from the sky are called mist, snow, hail, glaze.
Hail.
Hail. Well done. Sorry about this noise, but your friends are leaving the school. Number 3. Liquid and
I heard
solid.
a bell.
Yeah. Liquid and solid water particles that fall from the clouds and reach the ground is called weather, precipitation, climate.
Precipitation?
Precipitation. Well done. Number 4. Precipitation must start from where? So it starts from the sky, the clouds, the sun, the ground. Take your
Clouds.
time. Clouds, yes, they fall from the clouds. When the clouds are heavy or they are filled with water droplets, okay, now it's time to precipitate. Well done. Number 5, what can damage crops, homes, and cars? Freezing rain, sleet, hail, snow.
Hail.
Hail, yes, it can break down cars.
And sometimes sleet.
Yeah, sometimes, but not that much. Number 6,
Yeah.
liquid droplets that fall from the sky are called rain, snow, sleet, or hail.
Rain, because
Rain.
liquid.
Well done, because she said liquid here. What is precipitation? Is it solids falling from the sky or precipitation itself? Again, okay. Any form of water that falls from clouds and reaches Earth's surface, or liquids falling from the sky?
E.
I can't hear you.
Letter C. Letter C.
Yes, C. Any
Any
form of
form of
water
water that falls
from the sky. Yes, well done. Number
from
8.
cloud reaches Earth's surface.
Yes, well done. Number 8. What are rain, freezing rain, sleet, hail, and snow considered? What do we call them? Do we call them climate, types of precipitation, or weather maps?
Types of precipitation.
Types of precipitation. Well done. Number 9. How are tornadoes formed? Do they form as hot water and cold water mix, or it's not entirely understood but associated, which means that they come with thunderstorms, or it's ice and hot sand or hurricanes?
B.
B.
It
Well
is
done.
not entirely understood, but it's associated with thunderstorms.
Yes, they happen with thunderstorms. Well done. Thank you so much, Hamza. Number 10. What is the shape of a tornado? Is it a funnel shape, rectangular, circle, or triangle? What do you
Funnel.
think? Funnel. Yes, they look like funnel, like the one here. Okay, number 11. What is
I
this?
know the word.
You know what?
In grade 2, I know the word funnel because in grade 2 we took a story in English about tornadoes. So
Okay.
it said it looks like a funnel.
Okay. That's nice. Number 11, what is the safest thing to do during a tornado? Run around in a box outside, or protect your shoes. Don't seek shelter immediately, or completely cover yourself and hide in your basement.
D.
D,
Completely
yes.
cover yourself and hide in your base.
Well done. Which storm, hurricane, or tornado forms only over the warm waters or an ocean?
Hurricane.
Hurricanes, yes, because here he said ocean or warm waters. Number 13, a tornado warning means that a tornado is. A tornado warning means that a tornado is in your state, likely to occur, on the ground, or possible.
On the ground.
On the ground, it's already there. Okay, thank you so much. Number 14, the changes to water when it cycles on the earth. This is called the moon cycle, the sun cycle, the water cycle.
Change of water when it cycles on the Earth's water cycle.
Water cycle. Number 15, when water is heated in the ocean by the sun and turns into water vapor. This is called condensation, evaporation, transpiration. So here we have water heated and then turns into water vapor. So what is this? It's a part of the water cycle.
Condensation?
Are you sure? I mean, it just heated up and turned into gas.
Evaporation.
Evaporation, yes. Yes, well done. So sometimes the answer could be in the question. That's why you need to read the question well. Number 16, when water vapor is cooled and forms droplets. Droplets is the smaller than drops.
Condensation.
Condensation, well done. Number 17, we're almost there. Number 17, after condensation, the droplets of water in the clouds fall to earth in different forms. What do we call these forms? Is it called precipitation? Well done. Precipitation happens because the droplets evaporate in the air, the droplets are too light for the air to hold, or the droplets are too heavy for the air to hold.
C.
See, well done. It's heavy enough, so they will come down as a precipitation. Number 19, the sun's energy changes daily, heats the ocean before evaporation, directly causes evaporation. It's kind of confusing. Yes, it's going to be B, because first sun heats the water, and when the water reach a certain temperature, it will evaporate, but it does not directly cause evaporation. Do you get it now?
Yes.
Can you see how confusing it is? Yeah, but well done. You did it right. Number 20, more evaporation happens at nighttime or during the daytime?
B.
B, during the daytime. Well done.
Because
the water, yes, the water cycle has no start or end. True or false?
False.
So you think that water cycle stops at some point?
After precipitation.
It stops? Are you sure? I mean, water will go back into oceans and then they will be evaporated again and condensed again, and then it starts all over again. So it's true. Water cycle has no start or end. That's why we call it cycle. Like a circle, comes from the word circle, doesn't have a start or an end. So that's it. We're done with the worksheet. Thank you so much, Hamza. I will send you now a link for a video so you can go and watch it.
Okay.
Okay, just let me. So this is a nice video talking about severe weather conditions and how to protect ourselves from it. So you have the link now. Do you have any questions?
Yes.
Do you have any questions before leaving?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Hamza. See you inshallah next time. Bye.
Bye.